Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to show WhatsApp status to only one person. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So guys, to show your WhatsApp status to only one person, you can have to follow some steps. Open the WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings. Now tap on the privacy. Now you have to tap on the status. Tap on only share with. Now you have to select the one person, and now you can have to just select that person. So this is how you can easily show your status to only one person. So guys, it is also important to note that if you share your status with only one person, they will be able to see that you have shared it with them. However, they will not be able to tell if you have shared it with anyone else. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.